Hello, this is Bella, and I just came back from Santa Barbara, and I got this surfboard that has my name, and my sister Serenity, she had her name too on the surfboard, and I really like it because it's really pretty, and I like the sunset. And now I'm going to show you my fidget toys. First, I have this. I have this Squeezamal. You can squeeze it, and I like these little lines right here. I don't know what they are, but they're pretty, and I like these ears. I like the hair. I don't know what they are, but they're pretty, and I like these ears. I like the hair and the tail. And we have mochis. This one is a puppy. This one is a narwhal. And then this one is, I don't know what this is, but I think it's a cat. And I have this rainbow circle puppet, and I could push on both sides, the little pop thingies. One side is loud and one side is soft. And I have the same thing, but it's a square. And I really like this one because it has more pop thingies than the circle one. And I have another one, like a snail one, the snail puppet. I got this one from Santa Barbara. It was in the same shop as the one I got from where I got my surfboard. And it was the sock shop. There's socks everywhere. And I really like this one. This is my favorite one because I like this one. Like, it's an animal. I'm missing some fidget toys, so don't forget to subscribe and like and ring the bell.